Hello, this is NAVIFORCE unboxing review time. Today I'm going to bring you it's a very cool men's watch. Now here is the watch. The model number is NF9093. We can find the model number on the back case. Let me show you. Here we can see the model number. Okay, let's have more details about this watch. This is a multifunctional and with LED light watch. You can press this button to open the LED light. And let's have more details about this dial. In these positions, on the 10 o'clock position, between the 11 o'clock positions, we can see is the mode shows, and this window on 2 o'clock position is the second. Now the second is working, and on these bigger windows we can see is the time. When we want to change different mode, we can press this button. Now is the countdown mode. Press again. Now is the alarm clock mode. Then we can through this one and these two buttons to adjust the time and the functions, and press this button again to change to next mode. Now is the time setting mode. The same, we can use this button and this button to adjust the time, and press again this button. Then we return to the normal mode. Normal mode is the time show. And if you want to know how to adjust the different functions, we will have another video to introduce to you how to adjust it. And let's continue. The button is the same color with the bezel and the brand and the strap. Okay, this is this color. We have other 5 colors. I will show you. Now these 2 colors, it's silver, but the difference between them is the indices colors. On my left hand, the indices made of white, and on my right hand, the indices made of red color. Others is the same. The polished and bright and smooth strap. The buckle is the same of the strap. I want to try this one. Press to open the buckle. Now is the red, silver and red one on my wrist. Do you like this size? It's very cool. I like this red and silver one. And next is the black color. Now it's the black color. The difference between these 2 black colors is also are the indices. On my left hand is the red indices, and my right hand is the white indices. And on the 12 o'clock position is our brand logo. but the hour hands and the minute hands, they are the same. The brand, the strap of them is the same. We are very paying attention to the case and the strap quality. The strap used the stainless steel, also the buckle. And the last color is the gold one. It's a very bright color. Also, the crown here, it's gold too. Okay, this is all for this model. This model is a hot sale now in our store. Come to our official store to buy the favorite color you like. Okay, this is all for this model today. See you next time. Bye.